Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. In today's episode, we're going to do a little bit of mail call. I don't get a lot of things in the mail. Typically what I do receive are bills. I wish I'd get less of those and more of these. But anyway, let's see who this is from and what they sent. Now, before I get started in unboxing this, I would like to say thank you to all the YouTubers out there who sent Lori and I very nice Christmas cards. Sincerely appreciate that. Way too many to name here, but you know who you are. And again, thanks. Now, this particular package here came from Don at Bucktails Outdoors. It's funny, he just put this in the mail less than a week ago and it's already here. I can't believe that. Some of the Christmas cards that we received were postmarked beginning in December. Go figure. But let's go ahead and get inside this and see what Don sent. A little bit about Don. We obviously met on YouTube. We share a lot of the same interests together, both in the hunting and fishing and anything generally outdoors. Got a great YouTube channel, and he's just documenting his life. He's really not in it to be a big YouTuber. Just while he can still get out and do some things, he wants to film it and capture some of his day-to-day doings. Just recently, he put together a bushcraft shelter way out in the back of his property. He's in New Hampshire, and has done a cooking video out there and actually spent the night out there. Now, I just turned 50 and I know that would be a little uncomfortable, but he's got a few years on me and still managed to pull off a pretty cool video, spend the night, do a little bit of camp cooking. Might want to go check it out. Alright, I've yacked long enough. Let's see what's in this box. I'm almost afraid to look inside. All kinds of goodies in here. First of all, I see a shirt. Real cool shirt, a personalized one from New Hampshire. Live free or die, Danbury, New Hampshire. I love it, and I always can use t-shirts. And here's an envelope, a Happy Holidays envelope. Maybe I'll save that for a little bit later. And here's another t-shirt. Another New Hampshire t-shirt. I don't know if both these were intended for me. One might be for Lori. But either way, I welcome them. I love t-shirts. Especially from people from out of state, YouTubers in their neck of the woods. Kind of a personalized shirt. I just enjoy getting those. Let's see what else we got in here. Now, I know between Don and Randy, they were sending each other some hot sauce, and I'm wondering if there's going to be any hot sauce in here. I love hot stuff. Anything hot. Spices, rubs, seasonings. And here is a jar of something. Oh, I'll bet this is pepper jam of some sort. I see some seeds or pepper flakes in there. You know, maybe he's priming me up down the road to do another video on eating hot stuff. That ought to be interesting. And I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, some New Hampshire maple syrup. We have hives here on the property where we collect our own honey. And we do have enough maple trees I know that I could tap to make some maple syrup, but I've watched a friend of mine down the road to do it. And you need a lot of sap to make a little bit of syrup. And it's a long process to boot. But thanks, Don. And this here, I think I know what this is. He had a couple extras of these that he was going to send me. It's a charger of some sort that I can use in conjunction with the GoPro that I recently got. So as soon as I figure this thing out, it'll be good, put to good use for sure. And we got some crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. I love this stuff, and I love crawdads too. Hopefully here soon, maybe do some ice fishing, do a catch and cook. I've been kind of cheating on those videos a little bit recently, but I think the next catch and cook I do, I might incorporate this seasoning or this boil. And I love this brand too. And what else do we have in here? Uh-oh. Another jar of goodies. And this looks like canned or pickled something. Oh yeah, jalapenos. We use these all the time for everything. These are not going to go to waste. As a matter of fact, these will probably be gone within the next 2 days. And we have a Christmas tin. Ooh, boy, that smells good. There's the caramel corn with, looks like some chocolate swirled in there. That'll be nice and tasty. And I believe that's going to about do it for the bag. And like I said, I will probably open this up off camera. Don and I have a real weird sense of humor, and I'm just not sure what's in here, so maybe I'll just tell you about it later. But anyway, Don, thanks so much for the care package. Love everything. It's going to be put to good use. I got an idea on something I'm going to be sending you here in the next month or so, so look forward to that. And if you folks haven't checked out Bucktails Outdoors, I strongly suggest you do it. He's got a great channel. Just an average, everyday guy that likes to film his daily activities, out and about, mostly fishing. Takes you along on hunts, shed hunting, just a little bit of everything. Very enjoyable to watch. I love his content. I guess you could call this a shout out. Typically when I give channels shout outs, they lose 4 or 5 subscribers, so I kind of shied away from that, but I know Don will appreciate me opening this in the camera, posting it for everyone to see. And again, Don, thanks. I love it all. And until then, I hope everyone has a great new year. We just flipped the corner, get 2020 behind us, and yeah, I think 2021 is going to be superb. Cheers.